And hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. My name is Paul and as always I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. We're going to get started in 20 seconds. Today we are working back and biceps. Those two go together very well. We're going to be using bands and combination of dumbbells. First exercise, seated row. Grab your band, wrap around your feet. We get started in 5 seconds. We're going 45-second intervals, 30-second rests, and just give me a roll. Today's workout, it's okay to fail during the 45-second intervals. 45 seconds of work is a lot if you have a lot of weight. So on this, unfortunately, I can't get a full extension forward like I would like, so just keep my back upright and just concentrate on rowing. I'm not very flexible, so my legs are always a little bit bent. But just keep rowing, guys. We're doing 3 sets of this. Just make sure you get a good squeeze at the end. Three seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and relax. If you want to use a different color band, this is a little bit easier or you could also double it up with a lighter band if this is too easy, and then the purple band in this case would be too difficult. Sorry, my English today is not very good. Anyway. That was exercise number 1, or set number 1 of exercise number 1. We're moving on to number 2 right now. We get started in 3, 2, 1. I promise to speak better throughout the rest of this workout. Anyway, here we go. Squeeze. Let's go, come on. These are home workouts, guys. Anybody can do it, very minimum or no equipment. Today's workout, minimum equipment. Bands and or dumbbells will take care of the problem today. Keep going, keep going. Like I said, for this exercise, I generally would like to bend forward a little bit more and get a little more extension, but my legs are only so long and there's no place to tie this thing up to. So it is what it is. Do the best that you can. Be creative. If you have somewhere to tie it off to and you can sit back a little bit farther, more power to you. If you need to choke up on these a little bit, feel free to do so. You choke up a little, you get a little more extension. But it's much more difficult to pull. So let's try doing that. And nice and easy. Keep going. Pull back and forward. Back and forward. Back and keep going. Got about 10 seconds left or so. Squeeze that back. Lean forward and squeeze back. 3, 2, 1, and then again 30-second rest. Woo. All right, let's move on. Now we're moving on to a straight arm row. So this is tied off around here. There's going to be this motion. All right, straight arm row, it's not really a pullover, and we're using a band for this one. If you don't have a cable system, you got a band like I do, this is perfect. I choke up a little bit because I don't have enough room to stand back. Like I said, be creative and just pull back, straight arm. We're gonna go 2 sets on each arm. We're gonna alternate arms, however. Don't look down, don't hunch your back, try to straight up. Look in front of you. You don't have to bring your neck to look up. Just look dead in front of you, about 10 feet in front of you, to the tie-off point or so, and keep going. Straight arm. Support your lower back if you want to with your other arm. No reason to fatigue that if you don't have to. 3, 2, 1, and relax. We're gonna switch arms. So this is kind of workout number 2, guys. We did not workout number 1 last week, and that was chest and triceps. I'll leave a link up to that right above my head right now. Check that out. Combine this and that, repeat a couple times a week. You have a full body workout. Yes, and we are going to do legs and shoulders during the next workout. So you can combine that if you want to work out 6 times a week or combine the workouts. You got a full body workout using a set of relatively light dumbbells. We can go in 3, 2, 1. Relatively light dumbbells and some bands. So basically bands you can probably pick up for about $20, $30. And some light dumbbells will cost you a little bit more. But you know, these today I'm using 15s for instance. You can pick up a set of 15s probably for 20, 30 bucks. But by far the best place to buy dumbbells is on either Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Get something used, it's weight, it doesn't go bad. Garage sales work great, especially post-COVID when people actually, you know, either lost the interest in working out, lost their interest in working out, or simply went back to the gym. You can find a lot of great deals out there. Anyway, that was 1 set on each arm. We're moving up to the second set, so switch arms. We're gonna get going in 15 seconds. If this is a little light for you, you can use a heavier band or you can choke up a little bit more, which I will do. Hopefully this will not snap his neck. I wouldn't want anybody pulling on my neck like that. But anyway, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Same thing, guys. So normally I would recommend, you know, by far the best back and bicep exercise would be a pull-up. Obviously I can't do these here, and I am not a fan of doing those ones where you lay down on your stomach, extend your arms in front of you, and you like grab a towel or something and just squeeze it back and pull forward. To me, that's kind of a useless exercise. I like to feel the resistance, not just contracting my muscles without having any resistance. So I'm not doing that during this workout. Keep going. It's getting difficult. 3, 2, 1, and we stop. All right. From here, we're gonna move on to the other side. I'm already breaking a good sweat. I like these maximum workouts. We got 45 seconds of work, but we try to maximize the effort. So if you do fail, and on some of these I will fail in 45 seconds, it's okay. Just take a little longer break or take a breather for a couple of seconds and get right back at it. We got 5 seconds left. This is the last set of this exercise. 2, 1, and let's go. I know I'm kind of out of the camera view here, but this is the extension that I can get. I can probably stand here. I don't know if that makes any difference. And I'm not hiding behind this wall. Let's go. Pull, pull. I'm using the red band for this. If you're using the black band, it's gonna be a little heavier. I don't think I can make 45 seconds with the black band. This is already pretty difficult. You have about 15 seconds left. 9. We're moving right along. It's getting hard to talk. 3, 2, 1. And that's it for that exercise. So next exercise, bent over rows. We're gonna go for 2 sets. Since we already rowed, I'm gonna use my dumbbells in conjunction with the band. Dumbbells are pretty light. Band comes very handy then. Let's see how we do this. We're gonna step on these. I'm just gonna wrap it around my wrist like this and then grab the dumbbells. 2, 1, and let's go. Keep that back straight and just roll up. If you don't need the bend or the dumbbells, I should say, you can use just the dumbbells or just the band, feel free to do that. For me, I feel like I should be able to make 45 seconds of this. Makes this movement very difficult at the top. Exactly where we want it to be difficult at. One, I gotta give up a little bit. Whew. So if you're doing just with the band, guys, so obviously right here, you're gonna have no resistance. That's where the dumbbells come in handy, because you get a resistance from the very beginning to the very end of the movement. And with the band, once again, you get much more resistance at the end of the movement. I'm gonna try it one more time, even though that was difficult. I don't mind failing, because it's good to fail when you're doing these exercises. It makes you grow, it makes you stronger. So let's go. Keep going. Pull and pull and pull. 10 seconds left. And one. Woo. All right. From here, we got the back covered. And we got this microphone cable really give me crap. Anyway, we got the back covered. Now we're moving over to a curl. How did this end up all the way over here? We're doing a static curl. And once you grab your dumbbells, 15s might be a little heavy for this. We're gonna curl one arm while keeping the other one bent, and then we're gonna switch. 3, we're going for 10 repetitions and we switch. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is gonna hurt. 7, come on. 8, 9, 10. Switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and take a break. So since we did 3 sets, make sure to start off with the opposite arm on the next set, because we're doing 2 sets of this. It'll give us 6 sets altogether, and even amount of sets per arm. For example, I'm using 15s here, which are plenty heavy for this exercise. And this microphone cable made it all the way down here somehow. Anyway, I'm gonna try not to let it bother me a bit anymore, and we're gonna move on. I start off with curling the right, now I'm gonna start off curling the left. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, 10, and welcome back to the base bone workout, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5. Workouts don't get any more real than this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2. We're almost done. 3, 4. Beautiful. Keep it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect timing. And 10. All right, we have 2 sets left. We're gonna use the bend for the next exercise, and we're gonna do a single arm just to finish them off. We're gonna do a hammer curl. So the hammer curl, you keep your wrist sideways and you're just gonna curl up, curl down, curl up, curl down. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna use a band. I'm gonna choke up on it a little bit so I can grab it like this. And we're gonna go for 45 seconds this time. I don't have to count. 3, 2, 1, and then work that hammer. Yeah, this is gonna be difficult after the last exercise. I can feel it already. And we're 10 seconds in. It's gonna burn. It's okay. It's the weekend. Gotta grow those biceps and show them off, right? Let's go. 3. Well, it's not the weekend yet. I'm filming this right before the weekend. You're gonna actually see this on Monday, so what the hell am I talking about? Let's go. 15 seconds. 10. Oh, thank God it's over soon. 3, 2, 1. and I'm gonna drop the band because it hurts. All right, that was the right arm for me. Gonna do the left arm, and then we are going to be done, I promise. This is gonna be it. No core today. We're gonna leave the core workout as a separate workout. I am struggling with my language today, probably because it's about 5:30 in the morning when I'm filming this. All right, switch arms. Then on your band, choke up a little bit. Give me a hammer curl. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. It's a little too light for you. You can choke up with that bend a little bit more. Keep it up. 15 seconds. It's once again hurting. Not stopping. 5 seconds. 2, 1, and that's it. Let me turn this off like I always do. Here we go, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Once again, I can't speak today. Today we did a band and dumbbell, back and bicep workout. We combine the two as your biceps get work when you're working your back. We just finished them off by doing some isolation work. Again, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday right here from my little basement. Make sure to come back. Make sure to like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.